When deciding whether to perform an annual wellness visit (AWV) in conjunction with an evaluation and management (EM) office visit or as two separate appointments, healthcare providers need to weigh several factors. Each approach has distinct advantages and challenges for both the patient and the provider. 1. Pros of combining the AWV and EM visits in one appointment. Convenience for the patient. Combining the AWV and EM visit into one appointment is convenient for patients, as it requires only one visit instead of two separate ones. This can be particularly beneficial for patients who have long distances to travel or live in rural areas with limited healthcare access. Efficient use of time. For patients, it reduces the need to schedule and attend multiple appointments. This can be a significant time saver, especially for those with busy schedules or those facing challenges such as transportation issues. Financial efficiency for the provider. The provider can bill both the AWV and the EM visit during a single appointment. This is possible by using modifier -25, which indicates that a separate and significant service was provided in addition to the primary service. Reduced patient travel in adverse conditions. In regions with challenging weather conditions, such as rural areas prone to snowstorms or harsh winters, combining both visits minimizes the need for the patient to make multiple trips. This is especially important if the patient is already scheduled for an AWV and the weather is prohibitive for a return visit shortly after.